Why connect comments and tasks in Notion?
Combining comments with tasks in Notion helps teams manage document workflows seamlessly. By linking discussions directly to actionable tasks, feedback is never lost and follow-ups are more organized. This approach streamlines collaboration, ensuring everyone knows what needs attention and who is responsible, all within a shared workspace.
Using comments for collaborative editing.
Notion's comment feature lets team members discuss, suggest edits, and ask questions right on any block or page. Comments can be left on text, tables, or images, creating a clear thread of communication. This real-time feedback is essential for collaborative editing, as ideas and concerns are addressed efficiently.
Turning comments into actionable tasks.
To act on feedback, you can create tasks linked to specific comments or discussion points. Notion doesn't automate this, but you can manually create a task in your project database, referencing or even linking to the original comment or page. This method connects conversation with clear next steps, helping work move forward.
Organizing linked comments and tasks with database relations.
Use Notion's database features to link comments and tasks for powerful workflow management. By creating a database for tasks and another for document comments, you can relate them using relation properties. This setup lets team members see which comments have tasks assigned, ensuring transparent collaboration and accountability.
Tips for streamlining document workflows in Notion.
For the best results, establish a clear process your team can follow. Always address comments promptly. Convert actionable feedback into tasks and update statuses. Use Notion's notifications and mention features to alert the right people. Regularly review linked comments and tasks to ensure nothing falls through the cracks.